And what JEDI is now doing is we don't try to invent radically new things. We want to accelerate current research and technology being done within science universities, labs, within the deep tech startup ecosystem, but also within industry, and have a very focused purpose objective saying, okay, can we find new materials for the energy transition? Can we do AI with 1 million times less energy consumed? And what we try is to actually to accelerate. And I talked about this methodology. The methodology is to consider speed as important as the money we invest, which is rather good news, especially in times where we are constrained by budgets. Secondly, to not wait for people to apply, but to ensure that we go to the best teams